Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Boo. Cami. Boo. Boo. Oh, I was supposed to pause it. What'd you get? Nice.
Then Victoria's Secret.
How you doing?
Good. Adiós, adiós.
Adiós. ¿Cómo le va?
Ay, al tiro, al tiro.
Está.
Estamos bien.
You're like, stuff like that would be funny, like when you post stuff.
I have a YouTube channel. It's a pretty dog.
Thank you.
What's his name? Her name?
Boba.
Boba.
Yeah.
Look at how cute. Hi.
Boba.
Boba the tea. Boba tea. Yeah.
Boba. It's at Park and Swap. She back in there? No. Oh, she's over here. Hi, mamas.
The one that we have.
What?
Ese lo da en 35.
That's crazy. Everyone's been looking at you all weird. But that's what YouTubers say too, that people look at them weird when they're vlogging. What is that, a speaker? Oh dang.
Look, Serena.
You're gonna get copyrighted.
Can't leave Park and Swap without getting your cobija.
Look at those fake nails. Gummy, you want fake nails? She wants some. Hold on, Mom.
Let's pause there. Alright, we're back again on Cami's channel. Where's Cami?
Welcome back with Gummy Gummy.
Ooh, Cami falling asleep with Nani. Nani, Nani. Nani, Nani, Nani.
She's like,
Look, Dad, you could be the next Aguilars.
No, this is the Oliva. Think so?
I think if you were
see how
to really
people
make,
actually were like, oh hey, like.
I think if you were to really make a YouTube channel,
Yeah,
I think it would be successful.
maybe. I will. No quema acá.
You heard that?
So we're over here at Park and Swap, Los Perros, El Tianguis, whatever you want to call it, on what? 40th Street in Washington. Cami's first day at La 40. All right.
So we'll be back with more videos.
We'll be back. Peace.
Like, comment.